In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cursor AI account. If you're ready to try Cursor, an AI-enhanced code editor that helps you write and refactor code faster, the first thing we'll do is open your preferred web browser and go straight to cursor.com. Type the address carefully to make sure you're on the official site, and check that the page loads with a secure connection before you continue. Once the homepage appears, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. On smaller screens, you may need to open the site menu to find it, but it will be in the header area. Clicking Sign Up takes you to a simple registration screen with a few choices. Here you can register with your email address or use a Google or GitHub account. Using Google or GitHub is convenient because it's single sign-on. You won't need to remember another password. If you prefer to keep your developer tools separate from your personal accounts, choose the email option. Either way works. Pick the one that fits how you like to manage your accounts. If you choose email, enter a valid address and create a strong password you'll remember. A strong password mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Then submit the form to continue. If you choose Google or GitHub, follow the prompts to grant permission and complete the sign-in through that provider. When you're done, you'll land back on Cursor's site to finish setting up. Next, check your inbox to verify your email. Cursor will send a message with a confirmation link. Open that email and click the link to confirm it's really you. If you don't see the message after a minute or two, refresh your inbox and look in your spam or promotions folders. If the link has expired or you can't find the email, return to the sign up screen and request a new verification message. After your email is verified, go back to cursor.com and log in using the method you registered with. Once you're signed in, you can start using Cursor right away. Take a moment to notice the main dashboard and any onboarding tips that appear. From here, you're ready to explore the editor, try AI-assisted suggestions, and adjust basic preferences to suit your workflow. That's all there is to it. Visit cursor.com, click sign up, register with email, Google, or GitHub, verify your email, and then log in to get started. Pause the video as needed and follow along, and you'll have your Cursor AI account set up in just a few minutes.